Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting the channel. I truly appreciate every single one of you. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful DIY hair growth spray using black seed, fenugreek and neem powder. And honestly, this mixture is packed with nutrients that your hair and scalp will absolutely love. This spray is amazing for faster hair growth, hair taking, weak edges, bad spots, dandruff, itchy scalp, hair shedding, dry damaged hair, and weak hair roots. And if you enjoy natural homemade remedies like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss future recipes. Now let's go straight into the ingredients because every single ingredient in this recipe have powerful benefit for healthy hair growth. Our first ingredient is black seed. Black seed is honestly one of the most underrated ingredients when it comes to natural hair care. A lot of people know black seed for health benefits, but not many people realize how amazing it is for scalp and hair follicles. Black seed contains antioxidants, fatty acid, amino acid, vitamin, iron and zinc. One major reason black seed is good for hair is because it helps improve scalp circulation. Healthy blood circulation is very important because your hair follicles need oxygen and nutrients to function properly. When circulation improves, the scalp becomes healthier, and healthier scalp conditions support better hair growth. Black seed is also known for helping reduce excessive shedding. If you constantly see too much hair on your comb, pillow, or bathroom floor, weak roots could be part of the problem. Black seed helps nourish the root and support stronger strands over time. Another amazing thing about black seed is that it contains antibacterial and antifungal properties. This means it helps people struggling with itchy scalp, dandruff, scalp irritation, powder buildup. A healthy scalp environment is one of the most important things for healthy hair growth. And many people focus only on growing their hair without focusing on their scalp first. But honestly, healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Black seed also helps improve moisture retention. If your hair constantly feels dry, rough, or lifeless, this ingredient can help the hair feel softer and healthier over time. Our next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek is honestly one of my favorite ingredients for thicker and fuller looking hair. These tiny seeds are loaded with nutrients that help strengthen weak strands. Fenugreek contains protein, iron, and vitamin. And as many of you already know, hair is made mostly of protein. So when the hair lacks protein, it becomes weak and starts breaking easily. This is why fenugreek is amazing for people dealing with breakage or thinning hair. Fenugreek helps strengthen the hair shaft and reduce weakness over time. Another thing I personally love about fenugreek is how moisturizing it is. If your hair constantly feels dry or difficult to manage, fenugreek can help soften the hair naturally. Fenugreek contains lecithin, which helps improve softness and elasticity. Elasticity is important because hair that lack elasticity break very easily. Fenugreek is also amazing for reducing excessive shedding. And if you are trying to grow your hair longer, reducing shedding is extremely important because retaining hair is just as important as growing hair. Another amazing benefit of fenugreek is that it helps calm the scalp. If you are struggling with dry scalp, itching, or irritation, fenugreek can help smooth the scalp naturally, and consistency is very important. Natural remedies work best when you use them regularly. Quick question for everyone watching: how long have you been on your healthy hair journey? Let me know in the comments. Some people are just starting while others have been growing their hair naturally for years. Now let's move to the next ingredient. Our next ingredient is neem powder. Neem powder is honestly one of the best natural ingredients for scalp care. If your scalp is unhealthy, irritated, clogged, or constantly itching, it can affect healthy hair growth. And this is why neem is so powerful. Neem contains antioxidants, vitamin E, fatty acids, antibacterial compound, antifungal compound. Neem helps deeply cleanse the scalp naturally. It helps remove powder buildup, excess oil, dandruff flakes, and scalp impurity. And when the scalp becomes cleaner and healthier, the follicles can function better. Neem is especially amazing for people struggling with dandruff and itchy scalp. A lot of people do not realize that constant scratching and scalp irritation can weaken the hair root over time. Neem helps calm inflammation and support healthy scalp environment. Another thing I love about neem is how refreshing it feels on the scalp. After applying mixture with neem, many people notice that their scalp feels cleaner and fresher. Neem also helps support stronger roots and healthier looking hair over time. And remember, healthy scalp first, healthy hair second. Now let me ask you, have you ever used neem powder before? If yes, what's your experience? Now let's prepare our mixture together. In a clean bowl or jar, add 2 tablespoons of black seed, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, 1 tablespoon of neem powder. Now pour in your warm water. Make sure the water fully covers the ingredients properly. Then stir everything together very well. At this point, you will already notice the mixture starting to change color slightly. Now cover the bowl or jar and allow it to soak for about 6 to 12 hours. Overnight work perfectly. During this soaking process, all the nutrients from the ingredients slowly infuse into the water, and honestly, this soaking method is one of the easiest ways to make nutrient-rich hair spray at home. After soaking, strain the mixture carefully. You should now have a powerful herbal hair spray packed with nutrients. At this stage, you can add olive oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil. These are optional, but they can add extra nourishment and scalp benefit. Now pour everything into a clean spray bottle and your powerful DIY hair growth spray is ready. Now let's talk about how to use it properly. First, section your hair. Then spray the mixture directly onto your scalp, your edges, thin areas, hair strand. After spraying, massage your scalp gently for about 3 to 5 minutes. Scalp massage is important because it helps improve circulation even more, and better circulation helps support healthy hair growth. You can use this spray daily or 3 to 4 times a week. This is a leave-in treatment, so you do not need to rinse it out immediately. If you want, you can apply it at night and leave it overnight. Now let's talk about what you will notice with constant use. With this mixture, many people start noticing less hair shedding, softer hair texture, reduced dandruff, stronger hair, stronger roots, fuller looking edge, better moisture retention, healthier scalp. And remember, natural remedy takes consistent and patient. Hair growth is a journey. Now before we end this video, let me give you a few important healthy tips. Number 1, keep your scalp clean. Number 2, moisturize your hair regularly. Number 3, avoid excessive heat. Number 4, protect your hair at night with a satin bonnet or scarf. Number 5, be gentle with your edges. Number 6, drink enough water and eat nutritious food because healthy hair also starts from within. Alright beautiful people, we have come to the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this detailed DIY hair growth spray recipe. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and share this video with someone who is struggling with hair growth or hair shading. And before you go, tell me in the comment which ingredient are you most excited to try, black seed, fenugreek or neem powder. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.